Hey there, and welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to use an AI program in order to remove a background from any image you wish. So, as you know, there are a ton of new tools that can help with your print-on-demand processes, especially free ones you can use online. So here on this video, I'll be using ClipDrop. It's an amazing tool that works great as a free background remover. They also have a ton of different AI tools, but the background remover is the one that you can access for free. So we're going to start off here in ClipDrop. And we can scroll down to get an overview of the different tools and the background remover. As you can see here, you can use the background remover for pictures up to 1024 by 1024 pixels, which is exactly the same square dimensions from AI-generated images from Midjourney. So, to start, click on the Remove Background tool right here, and it's as simple as dragging and dropping an image into this box. As you can see, it'll instantly or very quickly remove the background just like that. This is a very simple graphic that would be very easy in many other tools as well. But this isn't just the only thing ClipDrop can do. There are also some complex things it can manage to do. For example, we can try a set of different pictures like so, and just by doing that, it'll automatically remove the background from all those images. Sometimes the details aren't exactly perfect, but it does the job well enough. It's literally as simple as uploading an image and then choosing the background remover tool in ClipDrop. There are some limitations with the file size, but with some AI upscaling like in Midjourney, we can easily go through that problem. And that's really all there is to using ClipDrop in order to remove the background from pretty much any image we choose. It's a great program, and it's absolutely free to use. So that's really all the time we have for this video, in where I've shown you how to use an AI background remover. Feel free to comment down below any questions or inquiries you may have. And as always, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.